Hello everyone, I am Rohan from QuickSense Innovation. In this video, I am talking about one of the wardrobe sensor WR08. So wardrobe sensor WR08, I am unboxing it. This is the product wardrobe sensor WR08. We can use it in almirah, cabinet and wardrobes. This is a DC sensor, so input should be DC 12 volt and output also DC 12 volt. Now I am going to explain about its working, connections and wiring. So talking about its this is input side, clearly shown input. So 12 volt input connected through this wire, input side, and output this side, clearly mentioned output 12 volt DC load connected through this. So load must be up to 36 watt for this sensor, 36 watt load, and detection distance is 4 to 6 centimeter from this sensor, then it can detect. So now I am going to connect it through 12 volt DC supply and load 12 volt LED strip using adapter. Here is a 12 volt DC supply, DC 12 volt supply here is, and I have connect through input side. This is input side, input connected through this wire, have connected input, and on the output side connect LED strip. This is LED strip, positive and negative connected through LED strip. As per red wire is positive side, white is negative, so I have connected through this. Now I have connected through load side. I have connected. Now I am going to switch on the supply. So this is working and light is on, because no objection from the sensor about 4 to 6 centimeter, and light is glowing. If any object, any barrier is coming about 4 centimeter in front of the sensor, then it automatic turn off the light. I am using some hand. This is object and this is the barrier for the sensor, so light is getting automatic off. If I remove my hand, then light is turn on automatically. If I put my hand in front of sensor about 4 to 6 centimeter, then it will automatic getting off. If I remove, light is on, off. So this is the working of this sensor. This sensor working on 12 volt DC supply and LED strip on the load side. So this is all about this sensor. Thank you so much.